When you're retired, you want to do other things, play golf, whatever. You don't want to spend your time working around the house. Paragon construction basically satisfied what I wanted to do, which was make this essentially a maintenance-free house. Now it's got some Hardie plank siding on there, which looks beautiful. The deck, the wood that they use is kiln-dried lumber, which is much superior to what you would get at like one of the big box stores. I went out to the job site, I met with their superintendents, I watched how they worked, I called the references, I did a complete study of their business, and I became very satisfied with what I found out. That's the reason we chose Paragon. You want to spend time doing things that you want to do, not doing maintenance around the house. I'm just very happy that I've got a maintenance-free home.